What up? Getting a little further. Bandsaw's going Saturday. Waiting on my buddy with his low bed trailer just so we can slide that thing right up in there. Be nice and easy. So that'll be gone Saturday. Move that yet today. Tool cart be gone Saturday. Bench be gone Saturday. Nothing but emptiness going on now. A few more loads. Had this bitch knocked out. Yeah, buddy. Just want to shoot a quick little update for y'all. So, hope y'all having a good day. Wish this fucking rain would stop so I can get to rolling. But, yeah. Where we at? Alright, y'all. Later.